never too late before the child leaves the nest. It is never too late, as you said. Even the teenager can learn this. But yes, the sooner the better. Like if the child is 2 or 3, below the 5-year age, it's much more effective to learn these principles. I think it to be parent also, someone who has conceived also can learn these principles and be prepared, to embrace the parenthood. And you told that the black dot into the white, but more often we see that black dot only. Oh my God, my little one is spending so much time on the screen. The elder one is on the Instagram. She's not studying. She has to work for her 12th grade. We just keep seeing that black dot more and more. But then again, you came on my private window and said to try to accept them as they are. That reinforcement has given me tremendous boost and positivity, and I'm really happy to be part of this parenting workshop, Rekha. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Karuna. Thank you very much.
I have learned so much. Glad I would have learned this before. I was to say that the one who gets married and they are planning for kids, they should do this parenting thing. They should learn this so that they could raise their children with maybe not the perfectly raising, but they've learned so many things we are not able to do in before. Okay. Sitting on the gadget for so many time, I think they will learn something from the games also. Like they watch some cartoons, and recently, like we were discussing, like Cherry Blossom Festival, and my little one came. It happens in Japan. Oh my God, where did you learn this? I was surprised actually. And he said, Mom, I saw in Super Wings. So some of the cartoons are also helpful. So I would like to take that in a positive way.
Yeah, I think that's great.
I would like to thank you so much for at least highlighting what is at least real parenting is in this small of 9 days period actually. It was not expecting yes, we can learn a lot at least within 9 days, because nowadays we are thinking it will be better if we can learn these things earlier one. Not right now I have 2 kids. One is say 19 years old and the other one is 13 years old. So really I felt if I learn this principle earlier, 5 to 6 years before, then it will definitely help to at least to grow them, and at least for their growth and all. Yeah. So that is one principles which I learn and which I like, that concentrate on that the white space, not only the black dot and all everything. And the other one is 20-20-20, which you suggested. If our kids are on continuously on some gadgets or something, tell them to at least take a 20 seconds break, and that things at least that will really help us to at least, and they will think and they will come from the different world, from the gadget gaming, if they are playing the games and all of it. So really it works actually right now. That right now I'm applying the same to my kid actually, who is at least 30 years old. So as and when I come to in my mind, if he is gone gaming and all, but he is following the same. He's at least obey. Yeah. So that is it. So it's really work actually, and I learn a lot. And I would like to thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, Rekha ma'am, I'm leftover. It was a great learning, a jolly learning, and I should thank Karuna, and I thank you also, because patiently you were, going through with me crazy parents, going through all the stories, and I thank you so much. You have so much patience. I can see so much of positiveness on your face. And also you are listening to us patiently. Thank you so much. Some we have implemented, and some of course I will implement. And thank you, I should say.
Thank you, Aisha. Great.
This program has been a big eye-opener for me. As in, one is reassuring me that there is it is not too late to mend your ways, and there are more than one way to reconnect and get the ball rolling in the right track. So for me, the biggest learnings have been to be more compassionate trying to use a variety of phrases and ways of telling the child why things should be done, how it can be done, and getting back to the child basically. If anything goes wrong, how to get back to the child at the right time, and how to be more understanding. So that's been my biggest learning. And I have seen the rewards also. Thanks to you, I got that reward from my son. So it's very important for any parent at any age to go through this program. I feel, as one of our colleagues in this panel, in this group, shared that it's never too late actually, as in, because we've all grown with our children, say for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. So our children understand that about us, that even we are humans and we are bound imperfect when it comes to parenting. So it's never too late to make those small changes, as long as we have the willingness to get back to them and go our extra mile to make those changes. I think it'll all work out. So I extend this parenting workshop to not just new parents, but even parents who are maybe as old as 10 or 15 years into parenting. This reinforcement program is a must for all. Thank you.
Thank you, Varsha. I once again thank you for taking out this time. For me, it's very important that you have some key takeaways, and I'm happy to learn from all of you that you have made a difference in your role as a parent. So thank you very much.